One is the Holy Quran, and then the other is the personality of the Prophet, peace be upon him. Unfortunately, when either the Quran or our Prophet, peace be upon him, they are ridiculed, the Muslim leadership has failed to convey to the Western countries that it pains and hurts us. Inshallah, the time is coming where in the Muslim world we should have democracies rather than dictators and kings running Muslim countries who do not represent the Muslim public opinion. And because they do not represent the Muslim public opinion, we have puppets sitting there who are manipulated by superpowers for their own ends, as is unfortunately is happening in Pakistan, where a puppet is making our own army kill our own people in the name of war on terror, whereas in fact it has become a war of terror. Thank you very much.